Hi, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I have this beautiful rainforest behind me. You can hear the beautiful birds I enjoy, and also behind me are tall mountains, and then there's an inlet as well because I live on an island in Alaska. This is a place that you cannot drive to. You have to fly or take a boat. We are off the road system, of course, and it's very unique and fun. I really enjoy living here, and I also have 7 grandkids. Such a blessing. And I remember when my kids were little, I wanted to be home and take care of them and raise them. And so I started a home-based business because that's what I wanted, and I went after it. And I've been doing it ever since, and now I have 7 grandkids. So I have been very blessed. I'm very thankful for that. And I want to share with you something incredible. Hey guys, let's talk about how to master success. What does that mean? How does that work, right? You would love to do that, right? And you want to know how you can do it. Well, let's talk about how when you're doing to become a master, and you're looking to master success, one vital, very important element, the first thing you've got to do is to lift yourself up. Be passionate about what you're doing. Be incredibly upbeat. Grab and seize and focus on those things that are beautiful, that lift you up, that make you a powerful person that can actually impact other people's lives. That's what we want. And of course, to be a master or to live an extraordinary life, you have to give up the normal life, right? Who would love to do that? You really do. You have to give up living normal if you want extraordinary. And it's really incredible, but you have to give up being normal. No doubt about it. To be a master in success, you can't be a mess, right? If you feel like you're a mess, if you feel like you're just struggling and you're just kind of just getting by, and each day is really tough and you're having such a time with life right now, this video is for you. Absolutely. Because you can be extraordinary. So important that you know that you can be extraordinary. You have to shift a few things, but you can do it. You definitely can. And that's what I want to talk to you about. I mean, you know, that time is coming up when people do New Year's resolutions, right? They do these and they're all ready and geared up and ready to go, right? They're ready to seize whatever they decide they want to do, and so they make these New Year resolution, whatever it is, okay? Do you know that up to 92% of people that make a New Year's resolution drop out in 2 weeks? I mean, that's kind of crushing, kind of a shocking statistic that in just 2 weeks they give up, right? They just feel like can't do it. They don't. It's mind-shattering that happens. It really is. And that's why this master of success is very important. You understand what's involved in being a master of success. And one very important element is commitment. Definitely you want to be committed. I mean, and consistent. You know, if you're not consistent, it's not going to happen. And, you know, consistency always beats intensity for a short while because, you know, these people, they make these resolutions and they're intense about it. They're going. They're doing what they're supposed to do. So they got this intensity going on, but guess what? It's gone in 2 weeks. I mean, that's crazy. So a commitment and consistency beats it all. If you keep going, if you're striving to be a master of success and you continue to go forward, even if it's like a turtle or whatever, as long as you're moving forward and you are able to keep going, and that's the key, then you'll see results, and that just fuels your desire to do what you're decided to do, right? It's amazing how that works. I mean, it's so awesome, and you can have all of it. I mean, I know Muhammad Ali, when he was, he's known for saying he's the greatest, and he said that before he actually was, honestly. And he used to say, don't count the days, but make them count. So, it's really all right what you tell yourself. It's so important. Don't put yourself down. Don't tell yourself you can't do it. Don't be inconsistent. Be consistent. What you learn how to raise the bar as high as you want to. Learn how to do that. Get that kind of incredible training that gives you that aura, that place where you can be among others that want the same thing, and that changes everything. Really, it does. If you're in with other people that are lifting you up, that are telling you you're amazing, keep going, it's okay, you will make it, and then you have people that are doing that are keep going, and they're doing well, and you're like, yeah, I'm gonna get there too. You can be a master of success. It's not rocket science, it's not tough, but it does include consistent and commitment and focus, and lifting up yourself is the best thing you can do for your family, for your friends, for your kids. You need to be that model for them, that model that gives them so much more, opens up their life for anything, because they don't feel defeated. You don't want that, right? You don't want to feel defeated, and that's what lifting people up, and yourself. It's so important to lift yourself up, to be so upbeat and so into what you're doing, whatever that is. And it makes a big difference. It changes everything. And that's really so important and key for you to get out of that, well, things are going bad, I'm having a hard time, I really need a vacation. I mean, how you feel. Life's been tough in 2020, there is no doubt, but you can also make it everything you want. You can also be a master of success, and that's what I want for you guys to be able to do that, and it will change your family and your life and your future. And who doesn't want that? I mean, you really have to want it. You don't want to be like those New Year's resolution people that quit in 2 weeks. You got to really, really get involved with people that are not doing that are lifting each other up, that are doing what they're supposed to do, know what they need to be doing, and making a change, a big change. Making a change for you, a change one person at a time. Impacting other people's lives is so important. It's such a blessing to be able to do that with people, because that is such a gift to help people in that way and give them something incredible to do and change. And it is really, really an incredible way to be the master of success. And we have, in the business that I'm doing online, we have a group that does just that. We have training that is so excellent that you'll be shocked. People are always saying how good the training is. Not only do you know what to do to take control of your life, you know how to build your own life, and you also know the things that make a difference. And you have a group of people that are going to lift you up, because it's a lonely road sometimes, because you're like the only one that wants to do it, and maybe nobody else cares what you're doing, but you care, and you're committed, and you're consistent and focused, and you'll be with a group that does the same thing. And that is so powerful. It really is powerful, because I'm in that HIVE. I'm in a group. We just had a training today that was off the wall, so upbeat, so positive. I mean, don't you love being around people that are excited and positive and happy and just changing their life because of it? I mean, that's what it takes to change your life. And I offer that. With what we have here, I offer you that you can have that. You can definitely have that. We have everything included for you to really thrive and change so much. If you're feeling down or low or struggling, many people are, and this is just such a gift. So I just invite you to go to my link in my YouTube and check out what I'm doing and who I'm with, and reach out to me. If you go to my Facebook and message, whatever you need to do, I'm here and our team's here, and it will be one of the best things you started. Honestly, it's been such a gift for me. So I appreciate you watching and listening tonight, and bye from Alaska.